Hello students and learners, welcome to the Brainbox tutorials. I am your teacher Priyanka and today we are going to practice phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs is also an important part of English grammar. It comes in exams with prepositions. So what is phrasal verbs? First discuss that, then we will go through these MCQs of phrasal verbs. So you must be knowing idioms. Idiom is a phrase or an expression which represents a non-literal meaning attached to a phrase. That means a phrase will be there. That phrase means a group of words. So that literally means something, but its literal meanings should not be taken on account. Idiom, for example, I'm back up, or for example cold feet. Now cold feet does not mean a feet which is very cold. That means a person is feeling nervous. So the literal meaning cold feet should not be taken into account, but its non-literal meaning, that is the person is feeling nervous. Similarly, I have also said a word that is back up. Back up means to support. For example, he backed up his friend's claim. That means whatever his friends were saying, he also supported him. So that is an idiom. Now what is a phrasal verb? So phrasal verb is also an idiomatic phrase which is followed by a preposition. So for example, a verb is followed by a preposition or adverb, so that also has an idiomatic sense. For example, carry out. Here carry out means to execute something. For example, he agreed to carry out my order. So that means he agreed to execute my order. So that is phrasal verb. So we are going to discuss the MCQ on phrasal verb today. So starting with our first sentence, the headmaster called dash an explanation from the student for his conduct. So the headmaster called dash. Now what is the option given? So number A is from, number B is in, number C for, and number D is on. Here the correct option is for. So the headmaster called for an example. Now called for is a phrasal verb. Call is a verb and it is followed by a preposition for. What does that mean? Call for means demand. So the headmaster demanded an explanation from the student for whatever he has done for his conduct. Okay. Now moving on to number 2. Number 2 is the horse broke dash from the stable. Okay. Now the options are number A off, number B is away, number C is down, and number D is up. The correct option is number B, that is away. The horse broke away from the stable. Now what does that mean, broke away? Broke away means ran away. So the horse ran away from the stable. Now here some more phrasal verbs are there. For example, broke down. Now broke down means fail. For example, his health broke down. So that means his health failed. Failed means he felt very down and not energetic. Similarly, up is there. So broke up or break up, that is also an idiom or a phrasal verb. Broke up means disperse. For example, the police broke up the meeting. So that in that case, up will be used. But here the correct option is away. Now moving on to number 3. Number 3 is I shall gladly carry dash your instructions. Now here the options are number A off, number B with, number C out, and number D along. And here the correct option is out. I shall gladly carry out your instruction. Carry out means to execute. So he will gladly execute the instructions given to him. Okay, now number 4. Number 4, prices have risen. We must cut dash our expenses. Now here the options are number A down, cut down our expenses, number B out, cut out our expenses, number C at, and number D is on. Here the correct option will be number A, that is down. prices have risen, we must cut down our expenses. Now the meaning of cut down is reduce. So because the prices have risen, so they should reduce their expenses. Here again one more phrasal verb is there, that is out. If cut out is given, cut out means to separate something. Okay, so obviously here separate word will not be suitable, so here cut down will be there. Okay, now number 5. For want of support, his scheme fell dash. The options are number A, upon, number B, through, number C, off, number D, back. Here the correct option will be, for want of support his scheme fell through, that is number B. So through is the correct option. Fell through means to fail. Okay. Now here one more phrasal verb is there, that is upon. Upon means attack, so obviously attack will not be there. Then off, fell off is also a phrasal verb, that means to diminish something, so that is also not the case here. And last one here is back. His scheme fell back. Fell back means to withdraw something, to step down, so here that is also not suitable. Number 6. The president gave dash the prizes. Options are number A, away, number B, up, number C, over, and number D, in. Now here the correct option will be number A, away. The president gave away the prizes. Gave away means to distribute. So the president distributed the prizes. Okay. Now other phrasal verbs are also there here. For example, up, number B is up. So what do you mean by give up or gave up? That is stop doing something. For example, he was preparing for the exam but he gave up. That means now he has stopped preparing for that. Then in is also there. In means to surrender to something. So this is also not suitable for this blank. And then over is to hand over. Gave over, that is hand over. For example, he gave over the duty to a person, so that is handed over the duty to the person. So here the best option is number A, gave away. Now moving on to number 7. Number 7, we should try to keep dash the reputation of our institution. The options given are number A, away, number B, to, number C, up, and number D, with. We should try to keep, which option you think is the correct option? That is number C, up. So up will be the correct option. We should try to keep up the reputation of our institution. Keep up means to maintain the reputation. There is one more phrasal verb here with keep, that is keep away. Keep away means to remain absent. So here up is the correct option. Now moving on to number 8. Number 8 is the gun went dash all of a sudden. Options are number A, out, number B is with, number C, off, and number D, into. Here the correct option will be number C, that is off. The gun went off all of a sudden. Now went off means to fire. Okay, so the gun fired all of a sudden. Now the options A and D also are phrasal verb. If number A, that is went out, was there, went out means extinguish. So the fire went out, that means the fire extinguished. So obviously that is not the case here. And then number D, into, that is went into or go into, that means to examine something. So here the correct option will be number C, off, went off. Now moving on to number 9. Number 9 is, as there was no one to look dash the student, he joined the hostel. Now the options are A, for, number B, after, number C, into, and number D, up. Here the correct option is number B, after. Look after the student. As there was no one to look after the student, he joined the hostel. Now look after means take care of. So nobody was taking care of the student. Okay, now if look for was there, so look for is also a phrasal verb, that means search, to search something. Then if look into we write, then look into means to examine something, look into the matter, that is examine the matter. And if look up was there, look up means we look up to a person, that is we respect a person and we want to become like this, that person, we want to idealize them. So here look after, that is taking care of a person, that is the best suitable option. Now number 10. Number 10, the case has been put dash till tomorrow. Now the options are number A on, number B at, number C for, and number D off. Here the correct option will be number D off, that is the case has been put off till tomorrow. Put off means postponed. So the case has been postponed till tomorrow. And similarly one more phrasal verb is there, that is on. Put on means to assume being something or being someone. So here the correct option is number D. Now number 11. Number 11 is he was run dash by a car. The options are over, number B is down, number C for, number D is from. He was run dash by a car, which will be the correct option? The correct option will be number A, over. He was run over by a car. Run over means crushed. So he was crushed by a car. If run down is written, run down means to become ill. Okay. So for example, he was run down with typhoid. So here run over will be the correct option. Now number 12. He set dash for Amritsar yesterday. The options are number A on, number B up, number C off, number D aside. Here the correct option is number C off, that is he set off for Amritsar yesterday. Set off means to start. See, other three are also phrasal verb, A, B and D obviously have different meanings. For example, number A on, that is set on. Set on means to attack somebody. Then up, set up means to establish something, and aside, set aside means to annul. Now number 13, I have turned dash his request. Options are number A in, number B down, number C up, and number D with. Here the correct option will be number B down. I have turned down his request. Turn down means to reject. So he has rejected the request. Okay. The other phrasal verbs here in options are number A and number C. That is in. Turn in means to go to bed. Okay. And turn up means to come. Okay. He did not turn up. That means he did not come. So these are also phrasal verbs. Now number 14. He takes dash you. Now the options are number A to, number B with, number C after, number D on. He takes, number C option, after you is the correct option. He takes after. Takes after means resembles, that is he looks like you. He takes after you, that means he looks like you. Other phrasal verb is also there, that is option number 1, to. Takes to means get into a habit of something. So he takes to drugs, that is he is in the habit of taking drugs. Okay, but here the correct option is after, takes after. Now number 15. He made dash his mind to work hard. Here the options are number A in, number B for, number C to, and number D up. And the correct option here is number D, that is up. He made up his mind to work hard. Made up means to determine. So he determined his mind to work harder. Okay. Now number 16. Number 16 is she brought dash the orphan as her own child. What do you mean by the orphan? Orphan means a child who does not have his parents. So his or her parents. So here the options are number A in, number B up, number C about, number D out. So the correct option here is number B, up. Brought up. Brought up means to rear somebody. Okay, so he was brought up, that is, she brought up, that is, she reared that orphan as her own child. The other three options are also phrasal verb, but do not suit here in the blank. For example, in, so brought in means yield or get something as rent. So that option is not correct. Number C is about, that is brought about. Brought about means caused. He brought about some change, that is caused some change. And last is out, brought out, that is to show or to publish. Brought out the magazine, that is published the magazine. Okay, now number 17. The taxes come dash a large sum. The options are number A, by, number B, about, number C, to, and number D, up. Okay, so here the correct option will be number C, that is to. The taxes come to a large sum. Come to means amount to. So the taxes amount to a large sum. And other three are also phrasal verb. If option was number A, that is by, so come by means to get something. Then number B, about, so come about means happening something. And last one, up, that is come up, so come up, that is he came up with an idea, come up with an idea, that is raised for discussion. Okay, now number 18. The dog tried to get dash me. The dog tried to get dash me. Option number A is at, number B to, number C about, and number D for. Here the correct option will be number A, that is at. The dog tried to get at me. Get at means attack. So the dog tried to attack me. Number 19. My cousin pulled dash the examination. Now the options are number A, down, number B, up, number C, through, and number D, to. Here the correct option will be number C, that is through. My cousin pulled through the examination. Pull through means passed with difficulty. So my cousin passed with difficulty in the exams. Okay. Other phrasal verbs in the options are down, pull down. Pull down means to demolish something. For example, the statue was pulled down, so the statue was demolished. And then again, number B is also a phrasal verb, that is up. Pull up. Pull up means to scold somebody. Okay. Number 20. I saw dash the trick. The options are number A, in, number B, to, number C, at, and number D, through. Here the correct option will be number D, through. I saw through the trick. Saw through or see through means to detect somebody. So to detect something. So I saw through the trick, that is I detected the trick already. So here were some of the most important phrasal verbs or idioms which comes in the examinations. So you should know the meaning of these phrasal verbs so that you can easily fill in the blank with these, because many phrasal verbs looks the same but they carry the different meanings. So you should, the best way of doing this is you should remember the meanings of all the important phrasal verbs so that you can easily fill in the blank with the correct phrasal verb. Do also write in the comment section what type of grammar videos, language videos do you want me to make for you, so that your preparation will be easier, and I will make the videos accordingly. I will come up with another video of English language and we will practice some other important topic of English grammar. Till then, keep on practicing and keep preparing for exams. Bye bye. Jai Hind.